So guys, we're working on this 91 Nissan 240SX, and we're going to be doing the front ones now, okay? So we're going to be doing the front turn signal specifically. So I'll show you how they look right now, and I'll show you the difference. The one you just saw right now, which I'll turn on again, we've already replaced it with the non-hyper flash LEDs, okay? So now I'm going to show you how it looks with the normal stock halogen bulb. You guys notice the big difference? So I'll be showing you how to remove this. Alright guys, so all it takes is just 2 screws, okay? All you gotta do is just loosen them up. Comes off just like that. Alright guys, so all you gotta do now, pop it out, okay? Use gloves, use a microfiber cloth, anything that can help you pull it off in case your bulbs are still good. The bulbs these use are the 1157s, okay? These are gonna be the replacements, okay? So you can see exactly the same, and these are not gonna cause hyperflash, okay? So if you notice something here is that they have a set of orange LEDs and clear, not clear, but yellow ones, okay? So the yellow ones are going to be white chips, so they're going to be 6K white, and the orange ones are going to be the, I believe it's like a 3000 or 4000K amber, but it doesn't look like just like the other ones you saw earlier. It's going to be like an orange. So let's check it out. We're going to see if they actually work out like they're supposed to. Okay. There you go. Make sure you put them in the correct way. If it feels like there's resistance, it means you're putting it wrong, because they do have, they're a little bit like, I guess you call it staggered. There's one up and one lower, so it has only one way to go in, okay? So make sure that if you're trying to put it in and it's kind of difficult to, don't force it, you'll damage it. So make sure you just pop it out, put it, twist it to the other side, and try again, okay? So before you put it back together, I suggest test it, make sure it works. There you go, you can see it's working perfectly fine. So let's see if the other function works too. These should have a DRL mode, so it should light up white once I turn on the car, okay? So I didn't turn on the car completely, I just put it in ignition, and as you can see, it lit up white, okay? So I'm going to turn the turn signal now, see if it actually changes to yellow. And there you go guys. So let's find out if I turn on the car completely, if it still functions correctly. So what I notice here is that if you run the vehicle without the DRL on, then the turn signals work perfectly fine. But as soon as you activate the DRL, that's when it starts to hyperflash, okay? So on something like this, like I mentioned, these are prototypes. So some vehicles it'll work perfectly fine, on others it'll happen like this, okay? But then again, these are switchbacks. So if I get the normal 1157s, it should light up with no problem, okay? It's only giving us problem in the daytime running light mode, okay? So my guesses is that due to having two controllers in it, one to control the amber color, one to control the white, that's where we have the interference. So well, it's something that I'll have to report and let them know so they can fix this. But other than that, to me, I don't really mind it. I don't care about the hyper flash as long as people can see me. So to me, I love it. It's super bright now, and I'm gonna keep it like that, okay? But as soon as they provide me some 1157s, just stock amber color, I'll be putting those in as well and doing another video just to see if it makes any difference, okay? So that should conclude everything for this one. All you gotta do, make sure to put everything back together and you're good to go, and just continue on the other side, same steps, okay? Have any questions, feel free to let us know. I'm more than happy to answer any questions. Thank you.